Hi,
Hello.
welcome back to our cooking video. So 3 cooking videos போட்டிருக்கோம்னு நினைக்கிறேன் until now and I realized நான் cook பண்ணவே இல்லை. So இன்னைக்காவது அதை செய்யலாம் அப்படின்னு நினைச்சிருக்கேன். So I'm going to cook white palav. இது வந்து எங்களோட favorite. ரொம்ப simple and very tasty. So let's begin. While we are doing that, we're going to share a few things. That sweetest thing that Sanjeev did to me and sweetest thing that I've done to him. So we're going to share that too.
Sure.
You ready?
Yeah, ready.
Okay, I'm not ready.
Let's start.
Think panna konjam think panni
Actually நானும் think பண்ணேன்.
To begin with we need a cooker. So idu cooker la da panna poren. Okay. The cooker nalla heat aichu. So I'm adding some oil. I'm not going to add too much of oil. So 3 spoons is good enough. Then I need some whole garam masala. So butter or a chinna piece. Cloves or 4 to 5. So I've taken close to 2 glasses of basmati rice. Adu soak panniyachu or half an hour aachu. ஏலக்காய் ஒரு 3 is fine. எனக்கு ஏலக்காய் ஸ்மெல் பிடிக்கும், so I add a little more. Oh, that is star anise and கொஞ்சம் பிரியாணி இலை. And this is sort of done. Chilies add பண்றேன். நான் 5 green chilies add பண்ண குட்டியா. If you want it spicy then add more chilies. And I've added 2 onions actually. 2 medium sized onions. If it's big then you can add 1. இது குட்டியா இருக்கனால 2 add பண்ணிட்டேன். Okay. At this point I'm going to add some salt. Now let's add konjam ginger garlic paste. You can add good spoonful or 2 tablespoonful. Okay, so ஒரு half a spoon of shahi jeera போடலாம். Shahi jeera போடுங்க. If you don't have that, I think you can just add jeeragam. garam masala போடும்போது அப்பவே போட்டுக்கலாம். whole garam masala போடுறதுல அந்த டைம்ல நீங்க போடலாம். When that is done, I'm going to add all the vegetables. Carrots, either beans. I'm going to add some kothumari and mint leaves. So இப்போ வந்து இந்த soya chunks add பண்ண போறேன். You can add mushrooms. We usually do it with mushrooms. I've also tried it with chicken. அதுவும் சூப்பரா இருக்கும், நல்லா இருக்கும். அது வந்து இது ரொம்ப நேரம் அந்த வெஜிடபிள்ஸ் தான் குக் பண்ண தேவையில்லை. பிகாஸ் எனிவேஸ் நம்ம வந்து அது குக்கர் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணியிருக்க போகிறோம். ஸோ அதுலேயே வெந்துடும். யூ டோன்ட் ஹாவ் டு ஓவர் குக். கொஞ்சம் லைட்டாக வதங்கினா மட்டும் போதும். That's it. And now we'll add a little bit more of salt. எவ்வளோ தேவையோ அவ்வளோ according to your taste and quantity add பண்ணிக்கோங்க salt. So I've taken close to 2 glasses of basmati rice. So 1 glass basmati rice ku 1.5 cups of water use பண்ணணும். So that's what I'm going to follow today. The main ingredient is coconut milk. So that's what gives us that rich, nice flavor. ஏன்னா இதில் ஒன்றும் மசாலா கிடையாது. Nothing is added into this. ரொம்ப plain-ஆ ஒரு dish அவ்வளோதான். ஆனால் இந்த coconut milk will add so much more flavor to it. இப்போ கொஞ்சம் பாயில் ஆன உடனே யூ கேன் ஆட் த ரைஸ். ஸோ இது நல்லா கொதிச்சு வருது. ஸோ I'm going to add some garam masala. This is totally optional. If you want to, you can do it. Otherwise, just let it go. Stirred, and then we are going to close the lid. Be careful when you are just stirring it. இல்லைன்னா அது வந்து உடைஞ்சு கண்டமேனி ஆகிடும். So I follow one trick. Usually in the cooker la வந்து biryani பண்ணோ பலாவ் பண்ணோம்னா I follow this trick. கொஞ்சம் அந்த steam வந்த உடனே I'm waiting for the steam. Yeah, steam வந்துருச்சு. steam வந்த உடனே விசில் போட்டுட்டு ஃபுல்லாக சிம்ல வச்சுருவோம். லோ ஃப்ளேம், கம்ப்ளீட் லோ ஃப்ளேமில் வச்சுட்டு ஒரு 6 to 7 minutes அந்த லோ ஃப்ளேமில் குக் ஆகட்டும். when it cooks like that அந்த ரைஸ் will be very good. ரொம்ப அழகாக இருக்கும் பார்க்கவும் சாப்பிடுவோம். Okay, so while that is cooking, Sanjay will start. நான் இன்னும் திங்க் பண்ணோம். Sanjay, what is the sweetest thing that I've done for you? ஒன்னே ஒன்று சொல்ல, அது மானத்தை வாங்க. அட்லீஸ்ட் ஒரு 4 சொல்லு. Okay, you go first.
ஆஹா, கிளம்பிட்டாயா ஐயோ ஐயோ.
Sweetest thing that you keep doing for me is நான் வந்து எப்பவுமே I don't buy anything for myself. அதுக்கு வந்து நீ என்ன பண்ண, you always take me out for shopping. எது வேணாலும் வா நம்ம கிளம்பலாம், வா போகலான்ட்டு. You buy anything, like you buy clothes for me, anything. I never buy for myself. So அது வந்து எப்பவுமே she buys it for me. That's really sweet of her.
I think this t-shirt also I bought.
Yeah.
Mostly.
Yeah.
நான் தான் ஷாப் பண்ணேன் for him. Simply because he doesn't give that time for himself. He doesn't
Yeah, I mean,
shop
see,
for him.
I do have thought of buying this or that for myself, but every time I forget or like I don't get to do that. So அது வந்து she's really sweet in taking me out for shopping and buying stuff for me.
I do, yeah. எனக்கு வந்து I like shopping for Sanjeev than shopping for myself. Yeah, I don't know why. I like. Sorry. Okay, so talking about shopping, the sweetest thing Sanjeev does is, I've heard men complain about women shopping and they take a lot of time to shop. So அந்த டைம் வந்து அந்த பேஷன்ஸோட வெயிட் பண்ணுறது ரொம்ப 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 கஷ்டம். But luckily Sanjeev is not like that. ரொம்ப பேஷன்ஸ் லெவல் ரொம்ப ஜாஸ்தி. So even if I have to shop for a long time and நான் இவ்வளோ ட்ரெஸ்ஸஸ் வேணாலும் ட்ரை பண்ணி
That hardly happens. Okay, you shop for a long time.
That's right. I don't shop for a long time because நான் வந்து பேஷன்ஸ் லூஸ் பண்ணேன். இல்லை எனக்கு ஏதோ பிடிக்கல, நம்ம போயிடலாம், done for the day. But Sanjeev will have the patience. No, you try, it's okay, keep trying. ஏதாவது பிடிக்கும் பாரு அப்படின்னு he'll have the patience, but I lose it very quickly. So you go now.
Another விஷயம், okay, let me talk about my first birthday after I got married to her. So it was a surprise. I was actually out for something and then I had come home. I never expected it. It was evening. Opened the bedroom and to my surprise I saw it like all lit up with candles. So that was something nice.
I'll see if I can get that big for you there. Talking about surprises, Sanjay can't
hold
on to the surprises that he's planned. Always he'll give away, or it's easy for me to get it from him.
Yeah,
it's like you won't tell me what
that.
you won't tell me rendu vaati sonna podu, you know what, and he will spill it out. So it's not very difficult to get that from him, but his surprises have been very sweet. To start off with, engaloda first month anniversary, we didn't have that kind of money to go to a big dinner or plan something big at that point. So he picked me from the office and then he dropped me in my mom's place and he said, you should not come until I call you. So I was waiting there and he went home and he cooked some exotic dishes. Mutton chops with some kind of
Mutton chops. And I had tried that for the first time. I had never done that before.
amazing. That was some rice he had made, and then his famous chicken wings. I'll make him do sometime. His famous Korean chicken wings that he had made. It was absolutely delicious. I don't know if I can get that kind of feeling if we ever go to any restaurants anytime now, or ever, It's
Anything
not
for
possible.
you. Anything for you.
I
Darling.
know.
And I totally love cooking for her. She really has some cute expressions, so I would like to bring that out. See one of the.
Now Arya has stolen it because
Yeah,
when he
mother,
does
mother
it,
and son. Yeah.
when he does it, it's even more cute.
So what happens every day I make once a day I make her tea பண்ணி கொடுப்பேன் and I would be expecting how the tea would
That
be.
was my next,
Huh?
the sweetest thing that you do
I
for
can
me.
continue, no?
Okay, fine. Right.
Okay, so I make tea for her every morning, or if I miss that in the morning then evening பண்ணி கொடுப்பேன்.
I think you do. Actually, he does it twice a day, mostly.
Mostly.
And if he's
okay.
really busy and he can't do it, and then I do it.
So one thing I always want to know is even when I cook or when I make tea, and when she tastes it for the first time, I want to know how good that is. And she'll make certain
I won't even
impressions.
look at it.
I
Look at his face.
won't even look at me.
He'll hand over that tea to me, and he'll be like,
நல்லா இருக்கா? Is it good? Is it good?
Will she be okay? Is it good? What is she going to say? I didn't pass it.
And she'll just do one thing, okay. And that is actually cute.
I purposely do that. No doubt the tea that he makes, I'm addicted to it. But purpose konja tease pannolla adanal
She just told me that this morning. She I'm addicted to that smell.
I'm addicted to that smell, yes. And yeah, so what was I saying? Yeah, so I purposely make him wait, and then he'll be like, sollu vaay thandu nalla irukka illaya? And like, okay, nalla irukku po. And yeah, so that's the sweetest thing. Another sweetest thing that he has done, and he's still doing, is even till date he tells the sweetest things. Sometimes when I'm getting dressed, sometimes even when I'm brushing, he's like, wow, you look so good. Like, I'm brushing. Yeah, but you look good. So that is very sweet. So those are the few sweetest things. The other thing that I wanted to tell actually is that Sanjeev writes letters for me. That initially in engaged,
Right now.
no, you did, you don't remember. Initially engaged on a time vandittu Sanjeev wrote a
4 or 5 pages maybe.
lengthy email for me, and it's absolutely very, very cute and sweet. If I can just put up a few here and there, I will definitely put it up in the video. But that was the sweetest thing that anybody has ever done that for me. And another time that he did that was I left to work. We were very angry. We fought, and I was so furious. I didn't even want to look at his face. So I wanted to just walk off. I don't know when he found the time. He wrote a small letter to me, and he put that in my bag.
Oh, that one.
So then I go to my work, and na bag tharna edo edukum. It's like letter. I just opened that letter, and it had such few cute lines that he had to write. So loving and touching, and adu paathitu kovama irukka mudiyadhu adukku apprama.
இதெல்லாம் அந்த ட்ராக் பண்ணும் அப்பப்போ ரொம்ப ட்ராமா குயின்.
ஆமாம், நான் கொஞ்சம் ட்ராமா தான் ஒத்துக்கலாம், பரவாயில்ல. So apart from that, the sweetest things, he doesn't have too many sweetest things to talk about me.
See, there are too many actually to
Okay, but I have a lot. Now another sweetest thing that he does is, when I'm not well, he gives me a days off. I don't have to get up from the bed. I can just lie down in the bed and watch whatever I want. Binge watch the series that's the binge watch and I keep doing that, and he will do everything for me, including taking care of Arya, cooking, and whatever other chores that he has to do, he will do it all by himself. So that I find very, very, very rare in men, and I like that quality. Yeah.
She does that most of the time anyways.
Thank you. Any
Okay.
other sweetest thing that you want to share?
யோசிக்கணும். No, அது வந்து ப்ராப்பர் சீக்வன்ஸில் போடணும். யோசிக்க சூடு வச்சுக்கிறேன்.
Ata Sanjeev, for you people.
No, we shouldn't let out everything in one single day.
Yeah, I
Maybe-
think so. Yeah, so that should be it
Yeah.
for the day. ஓகே, ஸோ நம்ம குக்கரை திறந்து பார்க்கலாம் நம்மளோட ஃபுட் எவ்வளோ அழகாக வந்திருக்கு. ப்ளீஸ் இன்றைக்குன்னு பார்த்து சொதப்பக்கூடாது. ஏன்னா நான் இப்போ தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் குக் பண்ணுற ஒரு வீடியோ போடுறேன். அது சொதப்பாமல் அழகாக வந்துச்சுன்னா நல்லாயிருக்கும். பார்க்கலாமா? ஸோ இது ஸ்டீம் நல்லா போயிடுச்சு. So, see how beautiful that is.
Wow.
So beautiful.
Yummy.
ஆனால் வந்து another thing is, don't mix the rice. It's better to transfer it to another bowl. அது ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக மிக்ஸ் ஆக போகுது. நம்ம இப்படி எல்லாம் மிக்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டோம்னா அந்த ரைஸ் எல்லாம் பிரேக் ஆகும், and it will not taste good and it will not look good. Okay, so I will transfer it into a casserole. Okay, இன்னொரு vessel. See, it's going to mix like that. நான் அப்படி மிக்ஸ் பண்ண மாட்டேன், ஏன்னா அது ஒன்று பயம் எனக்கு. The rice is perfectly done. நடுவில் ஒரு செடி வந்த மாதிரி இருக்கேன். இருக்கட்டும், பரவாயில்ல. கொஞ்சம் பன்னீர் ஆட் பண்ணிக்கலாம், இல்லைன்னா ரொம்ப பிளாண்டாக இருக்க போது. ஐ டோன்ட் மைண்ட், எனக்கு இது பிடிக்கும். எனக்கு அது பிளாண்டாக தெரியறதில்லை. இட்ஸ் டூ மச் ஆஃப் ஃப்ளேவர்ஸ் இன் யோர். இல்லைன்னா நாங்கள் அடிஷ்னலாக ஒரு பன்னீர் பண்ணி வச்சுருக்கோம், அந்த பன்னீரை யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ த பன்னீர் இஸ் there you go, the perfect meal for the day. Okay, so this is that dish that I was talking about. எனக்கு இந்த டிஷ் ரொம்ப 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 பிடிக்கும். ஏன்னா அது it does no harm to you. Rice is good for health. Also இதில் நிறைய vegetables இருக்குது, which is very 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 good for health. Like I said, நான் நிறைய oil யூஸ் பண்ணல because I've added coconut milk. Again, coconut milk is also healthy. So hope you enjoy this dish. கண்டிப்பாக ட்ரை பண்ணுங்கள், you will love it.